All right, so in chapter 5, section 3, we're doing integration, but we're doing it with exponential equations and logarithmic equations. So we're dealing with the natural logarithm first, and then we'll be dealing with the different bases that we could be using, I think, in the next section, section 4. So the main rule that you need to look at is the integral of e to the x is e to the x plus some constant. Again, there could be some substitution that we might have to do similar to that previous section. So looking at number 2, we can see that we have an exponential equation that also has some piece over here. So hopefully we'll be able to do some substitution to turn it into just a basic e to the x form. Looking at number 4, we don't have an exponential, but we have an x in the denominator. And so when doing something like this, maybe that logarithmic rule that we can find on 376 will help us out, because the integral of 1 over x is the natural log of x. Just a reminder why we couldn't use that power rule, x to the negative 1. If we added 1 to the exponent, if it was x to the negative 1, we get x to the 0, so that doesn't help us out a whole lot. So we'll do a supplement for number 4, and then I also had looking at a supplement for number 8. So not only do we have an exponential, we also are going to use some logarithmic rules to help us out. And one just to keep an eye on, number 11. So here is my derivative. And to integrate this would just be using that power rule, because it's something times t. This one, since my t is in the denominator, I would have to bring out the natural log of t. So sometimes we'll have to, use all of our different rules together when we're integrating. So just a power rule, and then this one would be a log rule to help solve. So I'll get a supplement for those first 3, 2, 4, and 8 for chapter 5, section 3.